Welcome to Brain Freeze! Alam niya, alam mo rin! Hello ka-brainy! What's up? For today's video, I will teach you on how to display text on I2C LCD with Arduino Uno board. First, get the Uno board, then connect this blue connector. Build the circuit, the connection between the I2C LCD 1602 and the Arduino Uno board. So here we'll get some jumper wires for these LCD pins. From the LCD, GND connect to GND on Arduino board. GND means ground. So here we'll make the connection. For VCC, connect it to the 5 volts on Arduino. Then SDA, connect to A4. Then the SCL connects to A5. Then connect this USB connector to our PC and run the program. Did you know, Cabrainy, that this LCD is equipped with an I2C backpack which reduces the signal pin to just 2? Then the blue potentiometer on this I2C LCD is used to adjust the backlight for better display. So here, it is our code. So the hashtag includes is for our module. Then we have 0 times 27 size for 16 characters. This this line is for turn on the backlight and print a message. This void loop is disregard. Then we will run the program. So here is our code. Then click the arrow sign for upload. Wait it until the upload is finished. Then voila! Brain Friz is on the screen.